Does our physical appearance we can't change instantly really decide how we have to dress in order to look good, in order to look flattering, in order to look fashionable? Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Grow Therapy for sponsoring. What made me think about this is the question and the comment I always see on somebody's, honestly, short form video. I never really see it on a long form video. But if somebody has a big forehead, normally the top comment is you should get bangs. So I was questioning, should everyone with a big forehead get bangs? Should everyone with a round face get a bob? Should everyone with pear body shape make sure to accentuate their waist? I kind of want to go through these fashion standards of somebody's body and talk through what I think helps with these things, what I think is just BS, blah, 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 blah. So the big forehead one I was thinking about mostly because I in fact have a 5 head and I normally wear bangs, but when it's so hot outside, especially, I like to clip my bangs to the side. Everyone who's had bangs knows that they can be such a pain in the arse. And it's seriously like, just because I have a big forehead, I have to do my bangs every morning? I don't think so. I know I always see the comments on, especially TikToks, of somebody with a bad hairline, or a further back hairline, or even, you know, a widow's peak with, I mean, my hairline goes far back, so seriously, no judgment. But I always see the top comment saying you should get bangs. Don't think that everybody with a big forehead needs to get bangs. I've never looked at somebody in real life with a big forehead and thought they would look so much better with bangs. I don't think everybody with a big forehead needs bangs. I think big foreheads can be really pretty. Okay, I know I've talked about that one before, so let's go on to the next. Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to take a minute and talk about Grow Therapy. Grow Therapy is the perfect sponsor for this video because the overarching theme is that confidence is the best thing you can wear. It doesn't matter what the fashion rules tell you, what you feel best in is what you're going to look best in. If you guys haven't heard of Grow Therapy before, they're a platform committed to making mental health care affordable, accessible, and personalized. You can easily find providers accepting new patients, filtering by your state, your insurance, specialty, treatment methods, and more to ensure a tailored fit for you. Grow's profiles are super descriptive so you can figure out the vibe of someone before committing. Grow Therapy accepts a wide variety of insurance plans, including Medicaid, in select states, which many competitors don't. This makes therapy accessible and affordable to a diverse population. There's no subscription required, it's a pay-per session with no long-term commitments, making therapy actually risk-free. Thank you again to Grow Therapy for sponsoring this video. You can use the link in the description box to check it out, or scan the QR code on screen. Let's get into the rest of it. So the next thing I wanted to talk about are body types. I feel like this is such a common one. If you have a rectangle body shape, you need to wear this, this, and this. If you have circle body shape, you need to wear this, this, and this. So I found like all body types are the standard body types people go by, and this was from thewelldressedlife.com. So she said there's rectangle, sometimes called straight, round, known as apple, hourglass, pear, also called triangle, and inverted triangle. Now, when looking at all of these, I totally understand where if you want to accentuate a certain part of your body, wearing one type of cut versus another would do that for you. So I'm not saying like don't ever go based on your body shape. What is something that I think all of these types of bodies can wear that is normally the biggest no-no is a baggy outfit. I think anybody can wear loose-fitting clothing if it fits properly. And that feels so like an oxymoron. I don't think it matters if you're hourglass or inverted triangle or rectangle. You can wear a baggy t-shirt and baggy pants. The t-shirt, the seam of the t-shirt hits at your shoulder. The sleeve length is something you feel comfortable in. You can't wear a short sleeve t-shirt that goes past your elbow. That's gonna look messy. That's not gonna look fashionable. It's gonna look like you rolled out of bed. Same with your pants. I think having a lot of fabric at the bottom of a pant can be like a trendy fashion thing that you're going for, but if you just want it to look put together while wearing a baggy outfit, no matter the body shape, I think having the hem of your pant just kiss the bottom of your heel, or if your pants are too long because you're petite, just give them a big cuff at the bottom, one big giant cuff. That is so trendy right now and so cute, and immediately gives it that polished look of a baggy outfit. I also think making sure the hips of your pants fit and not just taking a shoelace and cinching the back. I feel like my audience is a bit older, so we're not doing that. But if you're not concerned about what the back of your outfit looks like and you just take a shoelace through the back, I'm gonna have to find a picture, and tie it in the back, not using the shoelace as like a belt or a rope belt because that would be different, but you're seriously like, the back of my pants are none of my business. The back of your pants are your business. It looks bad. And I don't think that's a surprise to anybody if you say that, so I'm not sorry. Sometimes I'll put an outfit on and I'm bashed with the stereotypical, my legs should look long, my waist should look small, what else is there? I don't know. I feel like those are the two I'm always have in the back of my head. But sometimes things only look weird on your body because you're not used to them. Like a capri and a flat shoe, I feel like can be so jarring the first time you put it on, but it seriously doesn't look weird. You're just staring at yourself for too long and you have not seen yourself in a capri and a flat shoe since the 3rd grade. So just because something looks different to you doesn't mean it looks bad. Did a video on my channel where I didn't look in the mirror for a week, and if I would have looked at myself for over 2 minutes in any of these outfits, I probably would have changed and not worn them. And I look back at the video and the outfits are so cute. Sometimes just having like that other perspective of not staring at yourself standing in a mirror and figuring out what looks good. The next thing is the color and season that you are. People say if you're a fall, you should only wear the fall colors. If you're a winter, you should only wear the winter colors, and you shouldn't stray because you will look bad in them. I think you can wear any color. To me, finding your season just feels like something to stress you out. I'm pretty sure the season that I think I am, it says like I can't wear white. I'm not doing that. Do I notice a difference sometimes when I put on a color and I think it looks really good? Yeah, but do you have to look 1010% every time you put on a cute outfit? No, I don't think so. I think sometimes we just want our outfit to be cute and we don't really care if it makes me look the prettiest or the most vibrant or the most appealing, the most awake. Like, that's not what I go for every time I put on an outfit. So I think any of these like figure flattering or color flattering things, like sometimes it's just about the outfit and it's not about me, and it's what I feel good in, and I think my outfit looks cute, and that's what matters. This one is so common, but I don't think dressing your age is a real thing, and I don't think it needs to be a real thing, which again, so many of you watching this video, I'm sure you agree with. I also think we should embrace the age we're in. I think back of me in middle school or high school, and I feel like I tried to dress so much older, and I wish I would have just embraced that age. I remember I wouldn't wear like pigtails in middle school because I thought it was too immature, and now I wear pigtails, and that's where I'm like, am I that woman that's like not dressing her age? Yeah, so I feel like, especially, I always talk about this, but with having a daughter, I just want her to embrace the age she's in. If she wants to have any of it, like in middle school, I wouldn't like paint my nails a fun color because I thought it was too immature. Like I literally only liked like nude color nail polishes. On my toes was different, but on my hands I did not like it. I thought it made me look too young, which is just so crazy. Like, oh my god, what is that? It makes me sad. So I guess the not dressing your age part, to me, it's like we can always dress younger than we are, but don't feel the need to try and dress older and look more mature. Like, you have your whole life to do that. I know on certain occasions, like, you have to do that kind of thing, but embrace the age you are. Which should be like, I shouldn't be wearing pigtails anymore, but I don't think I'm too old for pigtails. Okay, and that's it for this video. I know you guys are liking longer videos, but sometimes I seriously don't have anything more to say than that, and I still want to make a video about it, so expect longer videos from me as well. Anytime it's an outfits video, I can go on and on for days. I end up filming for like 3 hours. These like sit down talking videos, I write a script and I don't have anything else to say about it, and I don't really just want to like blah 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 about nothing, and I kind of already feel like I do. So thanks for watching this video. Remember to check out Grow Therapy in the description box, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.